So as we proceed through the opening now, which is again for context Act 2, between Act 1 and Act 3, the opening is all about asking questions. Now, I believe very much in making life easy. This is why I suggest that you use a form at the early stages that we're happy to provide you with as a download. You'll see it at the bottom of this video. This form allows you to follow the process of the phone call and fill in the blanks, really, with the old-fashioned method of pen and paper. Now, I understand that sometimes this process is so different that it takes companies sometimes more time than they expect to change their whole IT system or their database systems in order to adapt to this process. So I'd prefer not to wait for that to happen, because if you do, well, you might be waiting a while. So what I suggest is you download the form, make multiple copies, and every time somebody phones, use a new form. Everything on the process is on that form that you need to follow, and you can use that form to fill in the details that the patients give you along the way. So please use that form and make multiple copies so that you're ready when someone calls and you're not having to wait until your database is changed. Of course, if your database can be changed quickly, then great. That's usually the best way. But I think even when learning, it's important to be able to not have to worry about learning two things at once. Number one being a new database system and also my process. At the very least, with a pencil and paper, nobody has to teach you how to fill in a form. You just follow my process and fill in that paper, and you'll be fine. You'll keep things simple to start with, until at which time you're able to move on to something more complex, like learning a whole new computer system.